So community-based tourism, one form of tourism where the community can really benefit a lot. There's been a lot of literature on community-based tourism and how it can be successful, because often in the community they might not have the skills, or they might not have the know-how or the marketing to help to make the most of tourism there. But we've taken a trip to Tifajek. It's mud baths and hot springs. It's just north of Nandi International Airport. We brought 88 students and staff here to have a look at their operation. The village is called Natalau, and they've set up this operation. But we heard some interesting things about the community-based tourism and how some of the challenges that they're having, such as developing their own website, developing their own marketing channels. And so what happened is often the community has to go through wholesalers, and it's there where the wholesalers can take a lot of commission or a lot of the percentage of the tourist fee. So helping the community to develop their own marketing skills and social media is important to make it more successful and for the benefits to stay in the community rather than going to the outside tour operators. Abula, I'm here with Akini. She's from the village. And Akini, welcome. And what is your role?
My name is Kim. My role here is I'm a tour guide.
Excellent.
I greet the guests that comes in and then take them for sightseeing, or when they go for bath, mud bath or hot bath. That's all I do here.
Excellent. And has tourism been a good thing for the village?
Yes, it helps a lot, especially for the family, since it's a family-based business, and it helps us with our daily lives.
Excellent. Well, I'm just going to have a mud bath. I'm going to look maybe 10, 15 years younger. It's going to be, I'm really looking forward to it. As you can see, I've put on the mud. I'm going to be so young by the time this is finished. It's the minerals in the mud that is going to be making me young. Tourists like to do this because it's a form of wellness tourism. So here we see wellness tourism and community-based tourism coming together. The community is running it. This is their land, this is their business, and they're providing facilities for the tourists to go in the hot springs, go in the mud baths.